Hi everyone, thanks for watching my YouTube contents. I'm Sangwoo. In this video, I would like to help you understand how to do Kruskal Wallis test in Excel and R. According to Wikipedia, the Kruskal Wallis test is a non-parametric method for testing whether sample originate from the sample distribution or not. And the Kruskal Wallis test does not assume a normal distribution of the residuals. And the null hypothesis is that the medians of all groups are equal. I have prepared fictitious data, and there are three groups, as you can see. In group 3, three values are greater than other data. So if you calculate average by group and median, we can get this result. As you can see, group 3 shows very high average figure compared to other two groups. However, if we measure median, it has very similar data. So we want to test whether these three groups median has significant difference. In our program, you can do analysis of variance test by using AOV function. Then under 5% significance level, we can reject null hypothesis. It means that there is at least one different group which shows different average. However, if you do kruskal.test, Kruskal Wallis test by kruskal.test function, then under 5% significance level, then there is no significant difference among groups, right? Let me show you how to do Kruskal Wallis test in Excel, focused on how to calculate chi-square value and p-value, right? Firstly, we need to calculate rank. Let's use rank.average function. And y value, comma, reference, press F4, and let's choose ascending order. Then we can get rank data for all observations. Right, then let's calculate numerator part by using this formula, this test statistic. So numerator part can be calculated by count if range from column A, press F4, and comma, and criteria from column E, and multiply by average if. So Ri dot bar means the average rank of all observations in group I. So range from column A again, and comma, and criteria from column E, and comma, average range from column C. Press F4 to fix it. And minus average of all rank data here. Press F4 and square it. You can apply this formula for group 2 and group 3. Right. And denominator part, we can use dvsq function to get these results. So select column C here, rank data. Right, so H test statistic can be calculated by count column A minus 1 and times sum of numerator and divide by denominator. This part. Okay. Which is same as our output, and degrees of freedom can be calculated by number of group 3 and minus 1. Okay, and p-value can be calculated by 1 minus statistic follows actually chi-square distribution. So CHISQ.tist and X from H value and comma degrees of freedom, this one, and cumulative, so specify true, right. So this is same as our output. Again, under 5% significance level, we cannot reject null hypothesis. So it means that statistically, all three group has similar median value. So there's no clear evidence to reject null hypothesis. I hope it was useful to understand Kruskal Wallis test in XLNR. Please click like and subscribe if it was useful for you. Thank you.